Hello friends, in this video let me show you how to draw a designer blouse pattern. Okay, so just we are going to trace the pattern now. Okay, so you can place it like this. See, I have taken the folded part like this. Okay, so I have taken the folded part and I am placing the neck towards the fold. Okay, like this. And now just tracing the pattern. So whenever I need to draw for the designer blouse, so like you can just make dotted lines for the neck. Okay, because we are going to change the neck part alone. Okay, in the designer blouse. So I am just I have just taken a dotted line towards this side and now I am tracing the pattern. Okay, so just trace it. So I have got the pattern like this. Now what I am going to do is just divide it into 2. Okay, the model of this is going to be the same. So I'll just cut it. So with the fold you need to cut. Okay, and shoulder slope, straight cut for the neck. So whenever you prepare a pattern for making the designer blouse, you need to draw the pattern like this. Okay, both the sides you can just take the neck, just trace the neck in both the side. Okay, and place it like this. So this is the original neck. So now I am going to alter this for the designer blouse. So let me show you in different color. See, this is going to be the one side model. Okay, so I am going to divide it into two parts. So I just take from the neck, following like this from here as you draw. Okay, once you come to the center part, just move your dotted lines like this. So this is your other side of the neck. Okay, so now I am going to cut this separately and this separately. Okay, so I'll show you. After cutting, I'll show you how to leave the space for, that is the seam allowance. Okay, for stitching. So this is one side. So this side neck I don't want, so I just trim this, that is the top layer of the neck I am just trimming. Okay, so now if you see, you can understand like this. I am going to place it like this. Okay, so here I am going to place the designer, that is this design on top of this part. Okay, so for that I need to take 3 centimeters towards this side. So that is, it has to be taken exactly 3 centimeters from this point, from here, and just draw a line, just draw a curve as you have drawn in this. Okay, and then place it in the fabric. So say I'll show it to you in different color now. The same thing I'm showing you. I just take it like this. Okay, just tracing the pattern. Like this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is 3 centimeters I'm going to add towards this side, 3 centimeters. Okay, and just mark. I do have the 1/4 scale, so I just show it to you, like you can use it the same way. 3 centimeters in the same shape you have to take. Okay, like this. So now you can join these lines, dotted lines, dots, okay, and make it like this. So now this is going to be my cutting line, okay. So now I cut it and show it to you. This is very simple design, anybody can try this, but provided you should be able to draw your own pattern, then only you can try for the designer blouse, okay. This is very simple model. Only for the back part we are designing, so front part will be the same as you did for the plain blouse or lining blouse, okay. The same method only, but only the back design we are changing. So see, this is my original material, like this is a exact pattern of this, okay. See, I show you the exact pattern also. See, once if I place it, you can see the difference. So two different colors I am using, one color, red color for this side and yellow color for the other side, okay. See, this is the exact pattern actually. Now I have taken 3 centimeters inside, okay. I just draw it and show it to you. So why I am taking this 3 centimeter is, this is the seam allowance. Once I place this part inside, in top of this, I should need some cloth here, okay. I need some material here. Once I need material only, I can place the this part on that, okay. See, now I am placing it on the line exactly. So then I get my original back pattern, okay. So this is how you make or design the back model of the blouse, okay. And after that, depending upon your creativity, you can just draw, make it a rope and just take some material, cross piece, and you can just you can take around 2 inches and you can just turn it inside out and place it here like this. Okay, so this is the design for the other side. You can place 2 ropes like this, it will look very pretty. You can also, depending upon your creativity, you can change the designs whatever it may be. Either you can just draw make 2 ropes here and make it patchwork here, or you can make this side also. See, I show you this side also. The same thing you can do. Take 2 inches, just turn inside out and stitch it. That is cross piece you have to take, okay. So you can keep 2 lines and start stitching. It will look very pretty when you wear it, okay. So this is how you plan to do the designer blouse, okay. So now let me show you the stitching pattern of this, okay. So you have to place the lining part on top of this. So separately, one by one I show you. So this is going to be your first part, okay. So here what I am going to do is just place the lining on top of this. So this is the right side of the fabric, okay. So this is going to be the right side of the fabric. So I am going to place the lining material on top of this and stitch only towards the neck part and till this, okay. And bottom also you can take 1 centimeter, just stitch it and turn it towards this armhole. So what you are going to do is just place the right side of the fabric here, and on top of this same design you just cut the lining and place it on top of this, okay. And then start stitching by leaving 1 centimeter from the edge, okay, from the edge 1 centimeter, and start stitching towards this same shape. You can start stitching, okay, until this, and towards the bottom also like this, okay. So towards the bottom also you can start stitching. So once your stitch completes, you just give cuts towards the edges, that is towards the curve and all, you just cut it. Okay, cut it and then turn it inside out, so that this part comes on top, right side of the fabric will come on top. Similarly in this also. Okay, so this one, this is the right side of the fabric. Now you are going to place the lining part on top of this. Okay, just place the lining part on top of this and start stitching, leaving 1 centimeter from this edge. Okay, like this, from the neck, starting from the neck until this. Okay, and just continue towards this till the bottom and this side also. So starting from here you go till this and just prick your needle, turn your fabric and start stitching. Okay, so start stitching and continue till this. Similarly, prick your needle, turn your fabric and start stitching like this till the end. Okay, complete till the end and then just turn inside out. So the other 3 sides you should not stitch. It will be in the raw finishing only. So you have to turn your fabric through this way, that is armhole and sides. Okay, after turning you get the right side of the fabric on top again, and then now we are going to just attach it in this place. Just place your red color fabric on this. Okay, so that it will look very neatly. So if you are interested to do some patchworks, you can do after stitching your lining. You just start doing some patchworks, like just 2 rows you can give. Similarly this side also 2 rows, 1 and 2. Okay, 2 rows you can just give like patches. Ready-made patches are also there, so you can place those ready-made patches if you are interested. Otherwise you can just turn your like you can just prepare like a rope and fix it in this border. Okay, so now this is ready. So this is one side model. Okay, it looks very pretty when you wear it. Hope you understand this video. Okay, if you have any doubt you can just contact me, I'll help you to do. Okay, thank you.